Hello children, I Mrs. Dorothy Timothy welcome you all to our history class. Hope you all are good. Today we shall begin with lesson 7, the administration of the Swaraj. In this module we will learn about the administrative system adopted by Shivaji Maharaj during his reign. The topics which we are going to cover today are Ashtapradhan Mandal, that is Council of 8 Ministers, the policy regarding agriculture, village economy of that period, trade and business, the military organization, and intelligence department. Ashtapradhan Mandal, that is Council of 8 Ministers. At the time of his coronation, Shivaji Maharaj appointed a council of 8 ministers called Ashtapradhan Mandal. Shivaji, the leader of Marathas, was an able and great administrator. He cared immensely for his people and always strove for their welfare. Shivaji was assisted in the day-to-day affairs by his council of ministers called Ashtapradhan. Each minister was in charge of a department called ministry. Now, next is the policy regarding agriculture. Agriculture was the main occupation in the villages. Maharaj knew the importance of agriculture. That is why he paid attention to the welfare of the farmers. Annaji Datto was entrusted the responsibility of organizing land revenue system. He encouraged the peasants to bring uncultivated land under cultivation. Remission in the land revenue was granted when there was excess rainfall, famine, and devastation caused by an enemy's army. Officers were instructed to provide bullocks and good quality seeds. Village economy of that period. Agriculture was the background of self-sufficient rural economy. Artisans in the village produced goods and rendered service to the local people. The farmers in return gave a share of agriculture produce, baluta, to the artisans. Trade and business. Maharaj knew that a kingdom does not prosper without an increase in trade because trade brings wealth. As per Maharaj, in Ajnapatra, merchants are the ornaments of the kingdom and glory of the king. Maharaj charged heavy duty on imported goods, thus protecting the local industries such as salt industry in the Konkan. Now the next is the military organization. Infantry and cavalry were the two main divisions of the army. The chief of the infantry was called Sarnobhat and their officers such as Havaldar, Jumledar, etc. In the cavalry, there were two types of cavalrymen, Shiledars and Bagirs. Sarnobhat was the highest officer in the cavalry. Now, Intelligence Department. Intelligence Department collected precise and timely information of the movements of the enemy and submitted to the Maharaj. Bahirji Naik was the head of the Intelligence Department, and he gave accurate and detailed information about Surat before raid. Girls, hope all of you have understood the first part of the lesson. Please go through the lesson and do the assignment. Assignment: write about in your own words. Shivaji Maharaj's policy regarding agriculture. Next is give reasons. Shivaji Maharaj established the Council of Eight Ministers. Thank you.